In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profitable Facebook ad, Facebook Ads Manager tutorial, 5 minutes. To get started, make sure you have a Facebook business page and access to Meta Ads Manager. That's the home base where you'll create, manage, and measure your campaigns. Open Ads Manager and create a new campaign. Right away, you'll be asked to choose an objective. This tells the system what success looks like so it can optimize delivery. Common objectives include awareness to reach as many people as possible, traffic to send people to your website, engagement to boost interactions, leads for signups, and sales for purchases. Pick the one that matches your real goal. Don't chase clicks if what you really want is sales. Next, set your budget. You can choose a daily budget, which is the average you'll spend each day, or a lifetime budget, which caps spend over your entire schedule. Daily budgets are great for steady testing, while lifetime budgets give you tighter control during a specific promotion. Start conservatively, gather data, and scale what works. Set your schedule by choosing start and end dates. This is helpful for timed offers and makes it easier to keep spending in check. Double check your time zone and consider allowing a few days for the learning phase so the system can optimize. Now define your audience. This is crucial for relevance and lower costs. Set location, age, and language, then refine with detailed targeting if needed. Interests, behaviors, or demographics related to your offer. If your new Advantage Plus audience can help the system find people likely to convert, using the information you provide as guidance. Choose placements next. Your ads can appear across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the audience network. Beginners should consider Advantage Plus placements, which automatically find the best spots for performance. You can preview how your ad will look in each placement to ensure it's on brand and readable. Design your ad with 3 parts in mind: format, visuals, and text with a clear call to action. Pick a format that fits your message, like a single image, video, or carousel. Use high quality visuals with strong contrast and minimal clutter. Write concise, benefit driven copy. Add a standout headline and choose a CTA that matches your objective, like learn more, sign up, or shop now. Make sure it looks great on mobile. When everything is ready, hit publish. Your ad will go through a quick review to ensure it follows policies. After approval, monitor performance in Ads Manager. Watch metrics tied to your objective, like cost per result, and make thoughtful tweaks to improve results over time.